What's up, guys? We're just now leaving the cookie store out here in Hayward, California. We'll show you guys what we found in the bag. Woo. So I went in there to check out a couple of strains. Coming from Washington, very familiar with the California market. I know Cookies gets a lot of love, gets a little bit of hate. They get a lot of hype. Some people say it's justified, some people say it's unjustified. But you know, they're definitely known for having quality flavors on their strains and their product offerings, and they're also known at their stores for really carrying a lot of fire flower. So I went in there looking for flower today. They're running a special on Alein Labs, buy one get one for $1 for our listeners and fans in Washington. That's not a promotion that you can run in the state of Washington. California, very, very popular. So it was on Alein Labs. Pretty much everything was sold out, but I got the Area 41, which I have not tried, and the Xeno, which I have also not tried. So super excited to try these out. I know we've reviewed the Baklava and a couple other strains from Alein Labs over the years. They're always hitting, definitely some fire. So I'm looking forward to trying out both of these eighths. And then I also picked up some Lost Farms live resin gummies. Gonna see what these are hitting for. So that's what was in the bag over here at this trip to Cookies in Hayward. If you're down here, check it out. What are your guys' thoughts on Cookies? Have you guys been to the Hayward location? You might see the sea across the street over there. Let us know what you guys think of Cookies. And as always, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button.